Good morning and happy Thursday. If you're watching this, it's Thursday and you have already completed your word problems for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Remember, you can't go back and change your answers now because I've already checked them. So today we're going to review Wednesday's word problem before you go ahead and work on Thursday's word problem for today. So Wednesday's word problem says, the Romano family is meeting at a restaurant. Each square table can seat 4 people with 1 person on each side of the table. There are 16 people in the family. How many tables will they need? So I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to insert my drawing. And we need table shapes, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the shapes up here and get a square. So it says each table can sit 4. So I'm going to draw a table. Each one can sit 4 people. So there's one here. Oh, that did not do what I wanted it to do. Hold on just a second, guys. Scribble. There we go. There's a person here. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. Okay? So I have 4 people and I need to sit 16. So I'm going to draw another table. There's 5, 6, 7, 8 people. I still need more, so I'm going to draw another table. And I'm going to draw, I have 8, here's 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I still need more, so I'm going to draw another table. And I'm at 12, so I'm going to add as many more as I can. So here is 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so the Romano family had 16 people. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many tables did they need? Well, they needed 1, 2, 3, 4. They needed 4 tables. So my answer on this one is going to be 4. Okay, now I can save this and I'm going to close it. Good deal. There's also another way that I could have done this one. So I'm going to go back in and do it the other way. Let me go up to the top and insert a drawing. New. Okay, the Romano family is eating at a table. Each table can sit 4 people with 1 person on each side of the table. There are 16 people in the family. How many tables will they need? I could have thought of this as 4 times what? It's my question mark. Equals 16. So we're looking for that missing number. Now, if I know my multiplication facts, I know that 4 times 4 equals 16, and that would have told me that I need 4 tables to sit that family.